Nature is a vast and diverse kingdom, full of wonders and dangers alike. While some animals may evoke feelings of awe and wonder, others can inspire fear and caution due to their deadly nature. From venomous spiders to massive crocodiles, the animal kingdom is filled with creatures that possess the potential to cause harm. In this video, we will explore the top 20 deadliest animals in nature, examining their characteristics, traits, habitat, and behavior. Join us on this journey as we take a closer look at some of the most dangerous animals that share our planet. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are one of the deadliest animals in the world, responsible for millions of deaths each year due to the diseases they carry. They are found in most parts of the world, especially in humid and tropical regions. Mosquitoes feed on nectar and plant sap, but female mosquitoes require blood to develop eggs. They are attracted to carbon dioxide and body heat, and their bites can transmit diseases such as malaria, dengue, and Zika. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific region and are considered one of the most venomous animals on Earth. Their tentacles can grow up to 10 feet long and are covered in thousands of stinging cells. Box jellyfish are aggressive predators and can cause paralysis, heart failure, and death in humans. African elephant. African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth and are found in sub-Saharan Africa. They can weigh up to 14,000 pounds and are known for their intelligence and complex social behavior. African elephants are herbivores and can eat up to 300 pounds of vegetation in a day. They are generally peaceful animals, but can become aggressive if they feel threatened. Stonefish. The stonefish is found in the shallow waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans and is considered the world's most venomous fish. They are well camouflaged and can be easily stepped on, leading to a painful and potentially deadly sting. Pufferfish. Pufferfish are found in the tropical waters of the Pacific, Indian, and Atlantic Oceans and are known for their ability to inflate their bodies into a spiky ball when threatened. They also contain a deadly toxin called tetrodotoxin, which can cause paralysis and death in humans. Pufferfish are considered a delicacy in Japan, but must be prepared carefully by specially trained chefs. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are found in the rainforests of Central and South America and are known for their bright colors and deadly toxins. They secrete a toxic alkaloid through their skin, which can cause paralysis and death in predators. The bright colors of poison dart frogs serve as a warning to potential predators to stay away. Hippopotamus. Hippos are found in the rivers and lakes of sub-Saharan Africa and are one of the most dangerous animals on the continent. They can weigh up to 8,000 pounds and are known for their aggressive behavior. Hippos are herbivores, but will attack humans if they feel threatened or territorial. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are found on the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Mutong, and Padar. They are the largest living lizards on Earth and can weigh up to 300 pounds. Komodo dragons are aggressive predators that use their venomous bite and sharp teeth to hunt prey. They are also known for their ability to consume large amounts of food in a single meal. Brown recluse spider. Brown recluse spiders are found in the southern and central United States and are known for their venomous bites. They are about the size of a quarter and have a distinctive violin-shaped marking on their backs. Brown recluse spiders are usually found in dark, quiet places such as closets, attics, and basements. Their venom can cause necrosis, or tissue death, which can lead to serious health problems if left untreated. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is found in the waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans and is one of the deadliest animals in the world. They are small, about the size of a golf ball, but carry enough venom to kill humans. Their venom contains tetrodotoxin, which can cause paralysis and death in a matter of minutes. Blue-ringed octopuses are known for their bright blue rings, which serve as a warning to potential predators. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is found in sub-Saharan Africa and is considered one of the most dangerous animals on the continent. They can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and are known for their aggressive behavior. Cape buffaloes are herbivores, but will attack humans if they feel threatened or territorial. Cassowary bird. The cassowary, a large flightless bird found in the tropical forests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia. The cassowary is considered to be one of the most dangerous birds in the world due to its size, speed, and powerful legs, which it uses to attack perceived threats. The cassowary can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 100 pounds, and its sharp claws can cause serious injury or death. In fact, there have been several documented cases of humans being attacked and killed by cassowaries, making it one of the few birds that pose a serious threat to humans. Great white shark. The great white shark is found in the coastal waters of most major oceans and is one of the deadliest predators in the sea. They can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh up to 5,000 pounds. Great white sharks are carnivores and can consume up to 11 tons of food per year. Although they rarely attack humans, great white shark attacks can be fatal. Black mamba. The black mamba is found in sub-Saharan Africa and is one of the most venomous snakes in the world. They can grow up to 14 feet long and are known for their speed and aggression. Black mamba venom contains neurotoxins that can cause respiratory failure and death in a matter of hours. Crocodile. Crocodiles are found in most tropical regions of the world and are known for their powerful jaws and aggressive behavior. They can weigh up to 2,200 pounds and are ambush predators that can take down prey much larger than themselves. Crocodiles are a threat to humans, especially in areas where they have become accustomed to human presence. Tsetse fly. The tsetse fly is found in sub-Saharan Africa and is responsible for spreading African sleeping sickness. They are about the size of a housefly and feed on the blood of vertebrates. Tsetse flies are attracted to motion and bright colors, and their bites can transmit the parasite that causes African sleeping sickness. Inland taipan. The inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake, is found in Australia and is considered the most venomous snake in the world. They can grow up to 8 feet long and their venom contains neurotoxins that can cause paralysis and death in a matter of hours. Cone snail. Cone snails are found in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans and are known for their deadly venom. They use a harpoon-like tooth to inject venom into their prey, which can also be lethal to humans. There is no known anti-venom for cone snail venom, making them one of the most dangerous animals in the world. Lion. Lions are found in sub-Saharan Africa and are one of the deadliest predators on the continent. They can weigh up to 500 pounds and are known for their strength and aggression. Lions are carnivores and are capable of taking down large prey such as wildebeest and zebras. Although they rarely attack humans, lion attacks can be fatal. Deathstalker scorpion. The deathstalker scorpion is a venomous species of scorpion found in North Africa and the Middle East, known for its potent mixture of neurotoxins which can cause a range of symptoms such as intense pain, muscle spasms, convulsions, and respiratory failure. Despite its deadly reputation, the deathstalker scorpion is also used in medical research due to the unique properties of its venom, which have been shown to have potential therapeutic benefits. The scorpion is typically found in desert regions, has pale yellow coloration, with a darker stripe running down its back, is a nocturnal predator, and has an aggressive behavior. It is responsible for several human deaths each year and should be avoided if encountered in the wild. The animal kingdom is a complex and fascinating world, and the animals we have explored in this script represent just a small fraction of the vast array of creatures that inhabit our planet. While some animals may pose a threat to human safety, it is important to remember that these creatures are not inherently evil or malicious, they are simply following their natural instincts. By learning about these animals and understanding their behavior, we can better coexist with them and appreciate the diverse array of life on Earth. So next time you encounter an animal in the wild, remember to respect their space and appreciate their beauty from a safe distance. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative and helpful, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with others who may find it interesting. Your support will help us to continue our research and create more educational content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you never miss any new videos. Thank you for your support and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.